यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स और मेंस में आप न्यूज़पेपर को कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं इफेक्टिवली विद इन जस्ट 3 minutes देखते हैं. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड. AQI still poor. 65% pollutants came from outside city in 2025 CREA report. You can use this example directly in mains if the question comes on any type of pollution related topics, which is already been asked in PIQ multiple times in paper 3 as well as paper 2. And from prelims point of view, you should know the basic difference between PM 2.5 and PM 10, which is already been asked in multiple times in UPSC prelims. Moving forward. In Arunachal's white bell and heron habitat Kalai 2 project gets not. You can use this example in mains if the question comes on environmental dilemma versus sustainable development. That the environmental clearance of for the 1200 megawatt Kalai 2 hydroelectric project on Lohit River in Arunachal Pradesh posing severe concerns. And the most important fact for prelims point of view is the heron species, which is in critically endangered status under IUCN list, and its features like 60 birds left in the wild with 4 breeding pairs in Bhutan and fewer in the eastern Arunachal Pradesh. Moving forward. SMD Girao Congress VVG Ramji protest from Jantan. The important fact for this news is the VVG Ramji bill, which has replaced the earlier MG Narega bill that has basic provisions you should know for prelims as well as mains, that has increased the number of employment days from 100 to 125, and the fiscal structure of the scheme has changed from 90:10 to 60:40, which has posed several implications of fiscal burden in the state that also facing some severe portion due to this issue. Moving forward. ED Gujarat IAS officer fixed bribe rates for pleas on charge of land use on government portal. You can use this example in mains if the question comes on civil services paper 1, even in paper 4, that the recently increasing of hedonistic pleasures IAS officers led to involved in corruption, by quoting example of IAS Rajendra Kumar Patel, Department of Malmandar Chandraswari Mori, and 2 other staff member has been arrested under PMLA Act 2002. And you can also use this example in prelims, and you should also know from prelims point of view the basic provisions of the PMLA Act. Moving forward. Months of US military force build-up precede operation against Maduro. This article is important for prelims. The question might ask on the recent operations by US. So you should know that the US has employed largest deployments of its forces to Caribbean region and also captured President Nicolas Maduro of Venezuela. Moving forward. In the Arctic, drones help scientists in identify deadly virus in whales. This article is very important for prelims point of view that the recently humpback whales led to death due to the presence of Cetacin morbivirus that is present in the northern ecosystem of the Atlantic, which is causing respiratory and neurological system leading to mass standings of deaths of the whales. Moving forward. Social Security Code, Labour Ministry suggests 90-day cutoff for gig workers. This article is very important for prelims as well as mains. You should know all the 4 exactly Labour Comprehensive Code for prelims. And from mains point of view, it can be asked in a question of gig workers that has already been asked in PIQ in paper 1. You should know the Labour Ministry has proposed a 90-day annual work threshold as the mandatory eligibility criteria for gig and platform workers. That's your UPSC Daily News for today. Stay consistent, stay ahead until tomorrow's news. All the best.